This is Meenu Budhia, psychotherapist, counselor, founder, director at Caring Minds, I Can Fly and Cafe I Can Fly. So how I started I Can Fly? The story goes very back from Caring Minds. I started Caring Minds when my younger daughter was diagnosed with low IQ, bipolar and ADHD. Looking for answers, I started Caring Minds. And after Caring Minds, I used to think, what will my daughter do when she grows up? So then I gave birth to I Can Fly. I Can Fly is an institute for special needs. Priyam can take it forward.
So my mom started Caring Minds and I Can Fly, and right after I Can Fly we also started I Can Fly Food Factory, which is bakery classes for the special needs individuals who were at I Can Fly. And then we put up our food factory products at various exhibitions in the city, started selling our healthy packaged food products like roasted chirwa and muri, and we saw how well that's doing, and that gave us the idea that how about we start a cafe which is run by special needs individuals. That gave birth to Cafe I Can Fly. Cafe I Can Fly is a cafe run by special needs individuals. It's the first of its kind cafe in the city of Joy, Calcutta, and also the first of its kind cafe in the country, India. It's a very special place. We call it our happy place, and every customer who walks into our cafe is called our cheerleader. I think the main thing that our cafe aims to do or strives to do is really to break the stigma associated with special needs individuals, their capabilities and their potential. And this is what we try to do every single day here at the cafe. We decided to collaborate with Paper Cup, which is also an organization run and founded by a female founder who supports young girls to make craft merchandise, and just the way we empower our special crew here at the cafe, she empowers in her way the young girls. And also something very interesting that we forgot to mention is that most of our staff here at the cafe, and whether it be the regular staff or whether it be the special crew, are 90% female. So we believe that empowering not just women but empowering the special crew is what we aim to do with our endeavor, and we'd love for everyone to support both Cafe I Can Fly and Paper Cup. Thank you.